Hello everyone. Today we're going to do section 9.5, rotation. Okay, so first of all, what are the directions of rotation? If your figure is rotating counterclockwise, so going sort of backwards, then it's a positive rotation. So for example, this one is a positive 60-degree rotation. And if your figure is rotating clockwise, so the forward rotation, then it's going to be a negative rotation, and it's negative 90 degrees in this example. So you can see that from here to the corresponding length, it's a 90-degree angle, right? So it's rotated 90 degrees to the right. Okay, so let's see an example here. So rotate the image 1/4 of a quarter turn clockwise. And what does a quarter turn mean? A quarter turn. A one full turn is 360 degrees, so a quarter of 360 will be 90 degrees. So it's a 90-degree turn clockwise. And how do we do that? The easiest way to do it is to connect the point with the center. Oops. So that will give you a straight line, right? And now if you do a 90-degree, and if you make a 90-degree angle and draw the line with the same length, then you're gonna get to this point here. And this point is the corresponding point after you rotated your original point 90 degrees clockwise. Okay, and you can choose to do the same thing for the other angles. Use another color and 90 degrees. Yeah, it's about 90 degrees is about here. You can choose to do that to the other angles, or you can choose to see, okay, so if my green became here, then the pink will be the diagonal of 2 blocks of the units. So it will be here. So you connect them. And then change your color. And then this purple, this orange point is 3 units away and 1 unit up. So you can see that 3 unit away and then 1 unit. So that'll be here. And if you connect them, look like that. And the last one is 3 units across the green. So 3 unit, if you rotate it 90 degrees, you'll be going upwards. So it'll be here. And now we can just connect the 4. So what you can do here is you can do the method we did here, connect the vertices and the center of rotation and do 4 90-degree turns for each of the vertices and then connect the 4 points. Or you can find 1 point and then use that point as a reference point to find the other 3 points. Okay, do whatever you like better. Okay, next example. Center of rotation. Center of rotation is a rotation. So in a rotation, this point, this center of rotation does not move. What moves is the rest of the plane. Okay, so everything else on your plane will rotate around this point, but this point itself does not change. So how do we find the center of rotation? There are two steps to do this. First step is draw a perpendicular bisector of at least two corresponding points. The second step is that the center of rotation is where these two perpendicular bisector meets each other. Okay, so let's say, for example, if I choose C and C prime, these 2 points are corresponding points. And if I draw a line here, so then what will my perpendicular bisector be? First of all, bisector will be the line that cuts this line in half, somewhere around there. You guys can use a ruler. And then it's a perpendicular bisector, so it has to be 90 degrees. So something like that. Okay, close enough. And then you can choose another two corresponding points. So I'll do B and B prime then. Okay, connect. And then connect them. And so the center of the 2 point is about here. And let's find 90 degree. Will be something like, oops, something like that. Okay, yeah. So the center of rotation for this question then will be the intersection of these two perpendicular bisector, which is right here. Okay, so this is our center of rotation. Okay, so that's it for today. Your homework is up here. You can try those questions in your workbook and let me know if you have any questions.